Hey guys, I'm HP. This is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is more blues guitar chords. Before we get started, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, hit the notification button, and also become a member of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with a free member account or a premium member account. So what are we talking about today? You're in a trio situation, only drum and bass, and you have to play more blues guitar chords, sounding like not just only the regular stuff, more sophisticated stuff, or use it also as a chord blues guitar chord solo. So what I'm talking about today, this here. And so on. I'm gonna show you what I played here, and we analyze it together, and that you, first of all, you're able to, that you can play it also, but also understand what is done exactly, that you can reproduce this or make more variations or create your own versions of more blues guitar chords. I'm using a traditional blues guitar sound using a Fender twinned reverb amp with spring reverb, and that's it. A little bit of this, a little bit of overdrive, you know, just put up the volume a little bit on your amp, and then you have this crunchy sound. And I'm using the neck pickup. Okay, it's a blues in G, and we start with the first little figures, this here. This one here. Starting here in the 7th fret, 8th fret, and we're playing triplets. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2 triplets. Then moving down. Then here. So this is 6, 5, 5, 5, and down. So this is basically the top part of G. This is this. But we're playing it here because this way we can make the whole thing in one movement, and also we can add some vibrato to make it sound more interesting. You could also play it here, but it's not nice here. You hear the difference. Here it's way cooler. And then and also use the same fingering as I'm doing, because you have to play the whole thing, you know, in one thing, and the fingering in this case of this blues guitar chord solo is of some importance here. See, so you're moving down always like this and just following the chords. You play twice. And then, but second time, we move here down here to the E, which is the triad of the C7 chord. So you move down, then slide down, because then you're already in position for the next chord. And you play this note first, and then build the chord behind. That's why I'm saying the fingering is of some importance here, that you can play the whole thing really fluently. Here also, when you play it with the middle finger, index finger, ring finger, you can add vibrato. And then we have 2 bars of C7, making... This is really cool. We do the slide here on the C, slide here on the D string to the 5th fret, 5th fret, and now, and that's a little bit, here the fingering is important. Now slide in here with the ring finger, and try to keep the lower chord as long as possible to make it sound more smooth. See? Don't do. keep the lower chord as long as possible. That's why you have to do this fingering. Otherwise you could do this one, would be the easier one, but to keep the lower chord as long as possible, we're using the ring finger here. And here you can add vibrato by pressing against the guitar. That's an additional effect which is really cool. So okay, then back to figure number 1. And now we come into the final 4 bars. Now comes the D7, and we make, and this, I mean, you probably know this already. You slide in here on the 7th, and then you just move up without attacking the strings anymore. See, this makes it sound more smooth than you would play. Doesn't sound so nice or like this. Okay, and also you can add vibrato. Do the same thing on C. And now comes the ending. And now it's important that you pick this one with the pinky and the ring finger instead of before like this. Why? Because then you're ready for the final figure. And this is probably a little bit a topic because it's a stretch thing here. 4th fret, 8th fret. If it's not possible for you, if you have small hands, then you do no. You can do here. That's the easier one. So yeah, you can do it down here, but honestly I don't like the sound of this one. It sounds cooler because again you can add vibrato. And then you're ready here to do the final phrase. Let's play the whole thing. Yeah, you can see how much these more blues guitar chords fill the whole scene, because when you listen to the backing track, it's only drum and bass. And when you play it like this, it doesn't sound it's only one guitar. It sounds, well, more than one guitar, also more blues guitar chords, but somehow it really fills the whole scene. I mean, when you want to do soloing on this thing here, see, it's really empty. But then you can add those. See, if you want to also do soloing with these figures I just showed you, just put them in on the place you like. You can learn the whole chorus as showed and then mix it up with normal soloing, and that's really cool. Or you can do regular rhythm guitar, like, I don't know, and then add the more sophisticated stuff. See how you can make combinations with the regular stuff with this, and this, you know, it really opens up your whole sound, and this way you have a, you know, you have more possibility to really open up the sound just while just playing with the bass and drum. Of course, you can also play it if like a piano comes along or whatever, or a rhythm guitar or a horn section or whatever is in your mind. It works, but you can make really creative rhythm guitar, which is something in between rhythm guitar and solo guitar. You can use it in the solo as an add, but you can also use it in the rhythm guitar as an opening up of a scene. You know, when you play, I mean, many players think blues rhythm guitar is boring because they always play probably this, you know, but you can make it really creative and still have a lead, like a singer going on, and you play this stuff in the background or just little parts of it, and then when it comes to the soloing, you take over, and then you have more things to do. Yo. Good. One more to say, if you want to download this backing track, it's really cool. Drum and bass. I play the bass. Well, that was not really hard. Plus the tabs of the thing which I just showed. It's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please join there with the free member account, or to download with a premium member account, which makes your life way better than before. Yo, me and Dr. Pink are saying goodbye.